Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around what could be arguably the nicest 2016 Ford Mustang GT available in the UK today. Car's finished in magnetic grey metallic and is sitting on the 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, and they're finished in black. Now this car is a 2016 and it's only done just over 9,000 miles from new. Absolutely out of the box with some amazing features, some super upgrades, and a yes from me and a must for you. So the metallic magnetic grey finish is absolutely beautiful. Just take a look at the fleck in there. We've got the actual stripes there, the Shelby Stripes over the top, and sat on the perfect 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. And then, as you can see in the back of there, we've got the Brembo brake calipers. Now the car's got the black exterior styling, so we've got all the badges which are finished in stealth black. The Mustang on the front, but there again in stealth. Everything about this car is in absolutely show condition. Let me kid you not, this is a car, if you are a Mustang aficionado and you love the cars, you're looking for that absolute quintessential car, then this is the car for you. Now, we've sold lots of Mustangs over the years, and this arguably on this year has to be the one. Put a private registration on that and you think you bought a brand new vehicle. Let me remind you, the car's only done just more than 9,000 miles and is in near perfect order. Taking a look down the sides of the car, the paintwork is in show condition, glistening in as glass in this super sunlight this morning. A bit chilly here in Wigan today, but let me tell you, this is warming my heart, this Mustang. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this car has got the Rouch exhaust system on it there, as you can see, R-O-U-S-H. Absolutely, when I fire this up, let me tell you, you will love it. Sit there and just rev it on your driveway, really annoy the neighbours, but gosh, this is what a Mustang should sound like. 1966 when the car was introduced, an icon was born, and here it is now in the UK. Right-hand drive, one of the first cars. Let's take a look inside, because this car then has the custom pack. So yes, we have the shaker stereo system, we have the air-conditioned cooling seats, heated seats, power folding mirrors. This one is the automatic transmission as well, with paddle shift. So an absolute delight to drive. 9,377 miles as I start the engine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, listen that baby. Listen that, so ground speed, just like in a Mustang aeroplane. So everybody knows about a Mustang, don't they? They do, what a beauty. So looking around the cabin now, we've got a perfect steering wheel, unmarked and in absolutely show condition. Automatic headlamps, power folding door mirrors. We then come to the centre, we get Bluetooth, we get SAT NAV, we get reversing camera, we get shaker upgrade stereo system, and then we get the mode button here where we can do variety of things there. We can take it, we get the steering there, we can take it, the steering feel. If you know anything about Mustangs, as I say, these are wonderful, wonderful cars to own and drive. Got to be arguably the best Ford ever made, even though it's not got a Ford badge on anywhere for you who are interested. But just listen this baby now. Listen that. We're ready for takeoff. Beautiful Rouch exhaust system, got the filter on as well. Book pack, service history is all there. We've got 3 keys with it, as you should get. They're all there, so 2 master keys and the, I suppose that's the lock for the glove box there. Stunning, stunning interior combination in this. I've not seen this combination before, but absolutely, it just complements the metallic magnetic grey finish. Interior is perfect. I don't smoke. This car's never been smoked in. Still smells new in here. I cannot believe this car is 7 years old. It still smells as the day it did when it left the factory. My dad bought one of these brand new, and we've had, what, we must sell 10 or 15 a year. We do like Mustangs here in Wigan. In the back of the car, it's very rarely sat in, as you can see. You don't get much leg room in the back. You don't really want passengers anyway, do you? When you just don't listen to the stereo, you're just listening to that beautiful, beautiful sound of that exhaust system. But the colour, magnetic grey, is the colour to have in a Mustang, let me tell you. It shows all the lines, it shows everything about it. Tyres are wonderful. You've got to have that, haven't you? You've got to have that. Reversing camera, parking sensors front and rear. Boot in perfect order. Nothing's been in this boot, let me tell you. Let's look at that. Absolutely. Split folding rear seat as well. All the actual kit is there. The service book's here. Everything that was with it is there. If, as I say, you're looking for a show car, then get yourself down here now. By the time you've watched this video, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Never been driven in anger when you look at this front bumper. Absolutely tiniest little stone chip, but it's absolutely beautiful. If I had room in my garage, that would be going home with me today, let me tell you. So, Ford Mustang 2016, 9,000 over miles, in absolutely stunning order throughout. It's going to go in the showroom in a minute. Beautiful car. So if you're looking for a Mustang with all the toys, all the bells, all the whistles, automatic, Rouch exhaust system, then I don't think you can find a better one in the UK today. And that's my opinion, let me tell you. So give me a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, we've got Don, we've got Lee. Have a look on our socials. This is going on our socials as well. Some nice reels on this one. Have a look on our website. We've got lots of quality high standard vehicles prepared to the best standard in the UK today. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.